Hi guys, Jess from Ozzy Two Strokers here. Just doing a bit of a parts review. BAC Designs made these slingshot style decals up. I'll turn the light on. Made up some frame scrubbers and frame guards. That's BAC. Still got to put the tank decals on the front guard, and I've got a different rear guard sticker because that one was not quite right. So yeah, BAC, they've been great. They sent me a whole extra kit and a t-shirt because they accidentally sent one wrong decal there and that wasn't the right size. So yeah, best I've had to work with. You send them a text, within 10 minutes mate, they're back to you. By the end of the day they've done your stickers, sending you pictures, asking you, do you want this changed, do you want that changed. They're great. So yeah, BAC, best sponsor, best company I've dealt with decal wise. If anyone wants discount on their decals, type in Foley in capitals, Foley, at the checkout of BAC Designs, and you'll get, I think it's a 10 or a 20% discount. So remember that, Foley is the code. Yes, my name. Now, MX Store, RHK gold chain, RHK gold lever, new shock protector, sprockets, plus bits of bling on the other side like blue oil cap, clevis, and all those little bits. They've been really good to work with. They screwed one of my orders up early in another build and gave me store credit, so I'll use that this time. So next we've got Blygo. Blygo have been really good. They do a lot of blank stuff for big companies like Cerberus and ASV. Now I've ordered these levers before for $53. This time they've come stamped up as ASVs for $53. Now I looked online, ASVs are about $380, $400 Australian, but the ASVs have a little plastic dial on that and ASV written on the rubber cover. Now you can buy the rubber cover, about $18, $22, something like that, and get the dial, less than $10. So for still less than $80, you have a set of nearly $400 ASV levers. Check out Blygo, they're good. They do a good throttle, quarter turn throttle assembly, billet ones, and they've got a service on them because they're in a service blank. So yeah, they do a few good products. A lot of it's crap, but they do some really good things too. And last is KKE. That's right, KKE been great. They've given me a discount, and for every like you guys give me, I get $1 off my next set of wheels. So smash them likes. I'd love to hear your comments and I don't know, any ideas for this beast. Please let me know what you think. Let me know what ideas you have. KKE actually have done me the nicest set of wheels, I think $790. I've just got to put tyres and discs and sprockets on, but they're gorgeous. Oh no, that's right, they are with wave discs and push drive rear sprockets, so $790 for that. Then there's a bit of postage to fix up. So that's my review from Jess at Ozzy Two Strokers today. Hope you're liking the way the build's happening. And over and out.